So really quickly, I just want to show that I ran out and went to Walmart really quickly. Real good buddy of ours came and got us, and I needed a few things, and I'll show you the big reason why I needed to go. But I did pick up a few things, household items, and so I got 2 things of the Jimmy Dean hot sausage. We love this, and I don't always buy Jimmy Dean because I'm sometimes at Aldi instead, and they don't sell it there, so I just buy their brand, and it's perfectly fine, and it's very tasty. But when I go to Walmart, I always buy a couple of the Jimmy Dean hot because it is our favorite. The other thing I got was just a plain loaf of bread so that I'd make sure that we had bread this week if we needed to eat a sandwich or something like that. I got another 18 count of eggs. I was completely out of salt, so I got 2 things of salt just to be stocked up. I got these 5-in-1 OxyClean. Now, I do have a regular, I don't even know what the name of it is, just a liquid laundry soap, but sometimes I do tend to use these more on the clothing and the other more on like towels, bedding, couch covers, you know, stuff like that. So this here is more for our clothes. Also got a thing of orange juice. I've been dying for some orange juice. You ever had that, like where you really want something and you don't have it? I got some French fries, some Dawn liquid soap. I was not out, but I just went ahead and I got it because I don't want to get caught and not having it and then not be able to get out and get it. Got 2 of these salads mixes. These are the ranch ones. We love these salad kits. They are delicious. 2 things of cream cheese, a thing of ground beef that I'm going to break up and freeze in sections. Although I still have some in the freezer, I just went ahead and bought just to make sure. Some steak and meat. You know, I love my steak-em. Some spreadable butter, because I was completely out of spreadable butter. Some more stick butter. This is just a stick margarine. A whole milk. And I bought 2 more things of Pop-Tarts like I needed them. This one is blueberry. I finally found blueberry, and that is Ron's favorite. And I also bought a chocolate one, which I love, and he does too, but you know, it's whoever gets it first. And then a thing of celery, because I've really been into celery and peanut butter lately for snack. So I'm going to get this up, and yeah, so that is my haul. Oh, you know what? Let me grab the box of what I went for. So I already took it out of the box, and it's charging, but Ronnie 2 years ago got a new razor, and it went kaplunk, and it had a 2-year warranty in it, so it got 2 years, and then it just quit cutting this week. And I mean, he was starting to look like Santa Claus, so we had to get him a new razor. These are by far, in my opinion, the best razors if you are visually impaired. He can just run it across his face. It doesn't have to be wet. He can use it dry, and it does a really good job. And I clean it once a week, and then we keep it charged, and it travels well too. It came with a little travel pouch and a cap for the top of it so that, you know, you wouldn't hit the little spinning things or whatever you want to call those, the little coils on the top, and break them. So that is nice. So it was a little more, I'm going to tell you, I did not think that I was going to have to spend that much for one, but you know what? You get 2 years out of it, and he needed it. So it was a validated expense this time around. Hello, so I want to share with you guys my meal plan again because I know you guys like to see it. It's nothing fancy, and if I can remember, I will try to find this board that I got off of Amazon and put the link down below for you guys because I know you guys like that, but I'm often scatterbrained and I don't remember. So if I forget and you want the link to this board, because it will change your life, and I'm not getting paid and I'm not sponsored. This is something that I just bought on my own because I thought it would be extremely helpful for me. First of all, it's right in my face. Second of all, you can write as large as you want. It's easy to see. The days of the week are on here. You can put the date and everything up here, but I just kind of put the date out beside. It does not matter how you use it. It's just very functional. And it came with all these pins here and then a little eraser. So it's really nice because it's all magnetized, and sometimes I'll take it off here and put it on the side of my fridge, but actually this is the best place for it, is right on the front, so that I can see what we're gonna have. So yeah, so because I went to the store, I'm out of breath, guys. We're gonna have steak salads. Love steak salads, guys. It is so, so good. I haven't had one in a long time, so very much so looking forward to that. Pasta and sauce, which is spaghetti, guys, just spaghetti. Mexican night, tacos, probably rice and beans. We're gonna have burgers. I got the best burgers in the world in my freezer. You guys have seen me, and I've got some fresh pepper jack cheese. That's gonna go on those with some good pickles. Oh my goodness, that sounds good already. And then we are going to have some fried chicken. I've got a family pack of chicken legs, and I'm gonna do fried chicken, maybe baked beans, maybe macaroni salad if I can find everything to go in it. We'll see, but this is easy. Do you make fried chicken? That's the main prize, and then putting sides together is a no-brainer. Pizzas, I've got 2 more frozen pizzas. You all saw me make those. They're in my freezer. We're gonna have another movie night. We need to finish up the first DVD of my Anne of Green Gables because I love it. Really whooshes me back in the day because I wanted to be Anne of Green Gables. You know what I mean? I love that story. And then we're gonna have beans and cornbread on Saturday. If it's not beans and cornbread, I'll come up with something else, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be beans and cornbread, and then we'll be back to making a new meal plan again. So basically, you know, if you haven't seen how to save money on your groceries, I basically go through my pantry and my fridge and my freezer, and I just see what I have and what I can utilize before I make a grocery list, and then I head out and buy my groceries. I am having company at the end of this month, so you will be seeing me periodically making food and freezing it for guests. In fact, I'll show you in here already. It's not anything fancy, probably like you'd see in somebody else's video, but in here, I think it's this one. No, it's this one. This one here is actually hamburger patties I made up. I mixed it with sausage, and I'm gonna make mushroom gravy, and we're gonna have that when my parents are here. Also got this here meat is for a stew I'm gonna make. And this here is where I froze, sorry about the ice crystals, the 2 big banana breads that are in there. So I'm going to be making some more items and putting them in the freezer for company. That way I'm not running myself ragged trying to figure out what we're going to eat while they're here, and everything will be pre-made. And then if you think ahead like that, you can enjoy your company a whole lot better. So next on the agenda in this video, I have got to get in here and just kind of give this a nice spruce. I've got that meat I need to package up and put it in the freezer. I just need to wipe out everything, especially need to take everything out of these here and wipe them down. I thought I would kind of give you a little bit of a cleaning video along with my meal plan this time. And I might even wipe out my freezer a little bit. Doesn't need it too badly. But I'm going to take everything out of the fridge and I'm going to give it a deep clean. And yes, it's a good feeling to start your week prepared. So I just chopped up my celery, and all I do is I wash it, I chop it so it'll fit into this little quart-size bag, and I put a paper towel in there, and I can keep celery for a couple of weeks, maybe even longer, but it stays crunchy. I put it in the bottom drawer of my fridge, and yeah, every time I want some, I grab a handful and I eat it because my husband does not like celery, but I love it. Okay, we're in the freezer, and I broke up my hamburger meat that I bought, and I put it in 1 pound Ziplocs like this, and that way I know that 1 pound, and I make spaghetti out of 1 pound for Ron and I. It's more than enough, and it's usually more than we need. So what I do is, since I have 2 back here already, as you can see, I go ahead and I put the the newer ones in the back, like this, and the older ones in the front, so I know to grab those first, so they get utilized, and I never have any kind of problems with the meat getting used up or going bad or tasting funny. It all stays fresh. These are the hamburger patties that we use. I wish I had the box that came in, but if you watch my Walmart haul, my last one, you'll see what kind they are. These are by far the best hamburger I've found, the most reasonably priced. It is cheaper to buy this than it is to buy your hamburger meat and make your own burgers up, unless you prefer a certain seasoned or kind of meat. But I put these in a skillet, and I brown them, and I cover them in cheese with mushrooms and onions. Delicious, delicious. As you can see, my pizzas are still in here. They're standing on their side. Those are for Friday. And yeah, so I wiped out all of the little ice crystals. It happens sometimes because my ice maker gets built up in the back, and then I have to take it out and take an ice pick and break it down and pull it forward, and then I get ice crystals everywhere. But that's just the way it rolls. We go through a lot of ice, especially as hot as it is these days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I love to have you part of Heidi's home, and I hope this is helpful for you guys. And if you have any tips or tricks for me to save money on my groceries or freezing anything, let me know. I love to hear from you. So I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye guys.